Are you eating bananas? You're all dirty. Look at your beak. It's all dirty. Mmm, tasty bananas. You like bananas? You like bananas? Aww. Oh, you're eating all the bananas. And now you're trying to clean up your mouth? You're trying to clean up? Oh, Dino. You got some in your beak there. You got some bananas in your beak there. Let's get some more. What else is left? Oh, I should have given you more. You love banana. There's no banana there. You wiping your mouth? Yeah, I know you don't want it to stay dirty. But you got some on your beak. Gotta wipe the beak. Gotta wipe the beaky.